Who's shouting? Don't cover your mouth, kuya, ha? Okay, so now, don't worry, nothing will happen because if his finger will be cut, natakot. Okay, nothing will happen because if his finger will be cut, he still have 9 more fingers to use. Okay, so now pwede pa yun. Okay, make it higher. Okay, close the other finger, Zed. Okay, ready. Okay, make your finger like this. Come on, Zed. Okay, here we go. Ready? Let's count 1 to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, wait. Sit down there, sit down. Okay, here we go. Now, one more. Let's count 1 to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Go. Okay. Wait, is that a video? Okay, your mom is making a video. Okay, before we continue, your mom is making a video. Say, mommy.
Mommy?
Louder, mommy. Okay. Not louder, mommy. You don't like? Okay, so that. I'm a brave boy. Okay, you want to continue? Okay, make a finger like this. Come on. Okay, here we go. So now, okay, I think he's whispering something. He said he will miss you, mommy. Huh? Okay, so I will set. Okay, ready? Let's count 1 to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, can you move your finger like this? Okay, open your hand. Open, close, open, close, open. Clap your hands for Zed. Okay, now, he proved that he's a brave boy. Okay, I know, may pinagmanahan. Mommy is also a brave girl. Because my next magic is for your mommy, and this is called the head cutter. Mommy, come here. I'm just joking. Thank you so much, Zed.